In this video, I'm going to show you how you can easily find your PayPal account ID. Be sure to watch the video to the very end so you don't make any mistakes. Let's get started, guys, and first off, head over to paypal.com on your desktop web browser. Then click at Login. Enter your email and password and click at Login again. After you've logged into your PayPal account, you need to click right here at that gear to head over to your account settings. And once you are at your account settings, right over here, just under your PayPal name that is displayed right over here, you can easily find your PayPal account ID. However, if you don't see it here, it means that your PayPal account ID is not created yet. To create your PayPal account ID, click at Complete Your Personal Profile. Click at Create PayPal.me profile. On that step, you can add your photo, however, we can just skip this step. And on the next step, we can enter kind of a nickname for our PayPal profile. I'm just gonna enter that word and click at Next. Then we need to click at that checkbox and then agree and create. After that, our PayPal profile is created. We can click at Done. And then if we head over back to our account settings just under our name, we can easily find that paypal.me URL, and everything after that / is actually your PayPal account ID. Now, if you click at Manage, you will be taken to the page where you can select and then copy that PayPal account ID to the clipboard, and then you can paste it anywhere. You can use that link that includes your account ID. That link, you can use it to get payments on PayPal. If this video helped you out, don't forget to hit the like button.